Want to stay ahead in global markets but don't have all day? Here's your rapid-fire update, packed with what matters now. Let's dive in. First up, Vedanta shares took a nosedive overnight after U.S. short seller Viceroy accused the company of Ponzi-like operations. Vedanta strongly denies the claims, but the stock tumbled. Turning to trade, President Trump just announced a 20% tariff on goods from the Philippines, escalating tensions. Meanwhile, the Fed minutes reveal officials are split. Some see a rate cut coming soon, others want to hold steady. The federal funds rate stays at 4.25 to 4.5% for now, as policymakers weigh inflation risks from new tariffs. U.S. crude inventories jumped by over 7 million barrels, the biggest rise since January, putting pressure on oil prices. In Europe, the EU edges closer to a U.S. trade deal but faces higher tariffs than the UK. Trump is holding firm on his tough tariff stance, with new rates on copper and pharmaceuticals looming. That sparked chaos in metals markets. Copper futures slid after Trump teased a hefty 50% tariff. In Asia, China put 8 Taiwanese firms under export controls, citing dual-use tech concerns. On the corporate front, Meta bought into eyewear giant EssilorLuxottica, doubling down on smart glasses. And finally, with passive funds on the rise, active managers are embracing hedge fund strategies to stay competitive. That's your global market pulse, fast, focused, essential. Subscribe to the Fellow Investors for more updates and stay ahead of the curve.